I recently found a hidden niche on YouTube that can quickly make your content go viral. One channel in this niche has grown to over 2.75 million subscribers and receives over 7.51 million views each month by posting relaxing music videos. In this tutorial, I'll show you how easy it is to create these videos using only free tools in under 5 minutes. We'll create different kinds of relaxing music videos, but before we dive in, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Hey guys! Before we move ahead with the video, let me introduce you to the onemaker.io, a must-have tool for creating music videos in seconds. Lo-fi, music visualizers, relaxation, EDM, lyrics video all in your browser. With a growing library of more than 5,000 artwork, you can also request new content. How to make relaxing music videos for YouTube in under 5 minutes. So when we talk about the music video, there are 2 steps to create one. First step is to create music and the second step is to create video. So let's start with the music. Step 1. Finding the music. There are several ways to get good royalty-free relaxation music. I figured out 3 major ways to get music for YouTube videos. 1. Royalty-free music platforms. 2. AI music tools. 3. Explore YouTube for no copyright music. Royalty-free music platforms. Royalty-free music platforms like Bandcamp, Epidemic Sound, Artlist, Bensound, Incompetech, and freestockmusic.com, etc. are the most popular platforms for royalty-free music. When using these platforms, make sure to check the terms of use and licensing for each track to ensure it can be used in commercial projects without any issues. For copyright-free music, you can go to Bandcamp. Bandcamp is like this cool spot where artists drop some awesome tunes for everyone to vibe to. But hey, we can also snag some of that Bandcamp magic for our YouTube vids and edits. And how the heck do we find music on Bandcamp? To know more about this, you can watch our previous video, How to Source Copyright-Free Music for Lo-Fi Videos. You can find the link in the description. However, freestockmusic.com is my personal favorite. If you are low on budget and want good music without any licensing problems, you can try this platform. I also sourced my music from Freestock Music this time, as it has a very good variety of calm, relaxation music under Creative Commons license. Simply select the category and mood, and you'll find numerous options to choose from. I selected the calm, relaxing mood, and was presented with a drop-down list of music choices. I particularly liked one, so I clicked on download. It notified me that I am free to use this music as long as I credit them in my video by pasting the link below. Additionally, it stated that it's offered under a Creative Commons license. Later, when you are established, you can try other platforms for more options with paid subscription plans. Leverage AI tools to generate music. Up to now, we've delved into searching and downloading music from various platforms. But what if you could compose your own original music? You might be thinking, I'm not a musician, how is that possible? Well, AI is here to help. There are numerous AI tools for composing music, and here are some tried and tested ones like Mubert, AIVA, Boomy.com, and Splash Pro. Each has its own strengths, but Mubert is my personal favorite. Let's dive into Mubert. Mubert offers a free plan with a daily limit of 30 minutes of music and 25 monthly downloads, or you can opt for the Pro plan at $40 a month for unlimited music creation and up to 500 downloads. Both plans offer valuable features for music creation. However, to monetize your content, you'll need copyright-free music, which requires a monthly or annual subscription starting from $32. Creating music with Mubert is simple and versatile, offering 4 distinct methods. 1. Generate with text. Simply click Generate Track. Input your desired music style in the prompt box, select the track type and duration, then hit Generate. This is how I created my track. 2. Use an image. Upload an image and click Generate. Mubert interprets the mood of the image to craft matching music. 3. Search by reference. If you found a tune that resonates with you, paste the link of that song in the Search by Reference tab, and Mubert will generate a track similar to your favorite relaxation music. 4. Select genres, moods, or activities. Choose from these categories and generate your track. Here's one I made. Additionally, Mubert provides a vast library of royalty-free music for you to explore and use. Explore YouTube for copyright-free music. YouTube itself offers a vast library of music and sound effects that you can use for free in your videos, even for commercial purposes. Go to your YouTube studio, click on the Audio Library tab, and explore the various tracks available. Make sure to filter for music that is allowed for monetization, or you can also try searching YouTube for copyright-free relaxation music. I will just show you how. Just type in copyright-free relaxing music, and voila! There is a whole list of videos where I can download the copyright-free music. Let's see this one. It's copyright-free. Here on clicking the description, you can see they have mentioned this song is free to use on YouTube and social media, but you must include the following credits in your video's description. Additional tip: to enhance your relaxation music, you can mix in various ambient sounds like traffic, rain, or crowd noise. This can be done using any standard editing software, and free ambient soundtracks are readily available online, allowing you to create a unique final mix of your music. Step 2. Make video with onemaker.io. onemaker.io is an online tool for creating music videos directly in your browser. Simply visit onemaker.io, sign up for free, and explore the relaxation video category. Choose from various templates, including dark melodies, dark ambience, atmospheric, cosmic relaxation, shamanic, and many more. Relaxation music videos are often stereotyped as being limited to themes like nature, flutes, and Buddha. However, they encompass much more than that. Over the years, there has been a growing niche of music listeners and enthusiasts who seek experiential relaxation music, and onemaker.io serves all. Now, the next step is to choose from various templates to match your theme. Here, you can customize the template to fit your theme, put the name of your song, or edit the album cover from here. And you also have the option to upload your own artwork or choose from over 5,000 artworks available in the library. Animated artwork is on the top of the list, then you can see all the images. You can also preview these artwork by clicking here, but the best part is, if you like any of these artwork which are not animated, you can just click here and a request will be generated for an animated artwork. You can click on this arrow and filter down the artwork further with categories, themes, and different styles, which will definitely make your life easier. Also, you can click here to request new content. You can just describe here the kind of artwork you want, and also if you have any reference artwork, you can attach the same, and you will get all the requested artwork within a week. Once you're satisfied with the customization, click here on this arrow for advanced settings. Upload your music, and if you want, you can adjust the color theme of the waveform. After finalizing the settings, click on the Export or Update button to create a video preview. If you want, you can just click back to edit, else just click here and create full HD video. You can then download your HD video from My Videos. Following the same process, I have created different kinds of meditation music videos by choosing different categories. And that's it. Creating relaxing music videos for YouTube is simple and rewarding. You can source royalty-free music from platforms like Bandcamp or freestockmusic.com, use AI tools like Mubert for original compositions, or explore YouTube's library. With tools like onemaker.io, you can bring your vision to life with stunning visuals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.